Freedom Street Garage. What's going on? My name's Nathan, and today we're here at Ghostworks in LA, and we're going to be putting on an OPUS full titanium race exhaust on our Lamborghini Huracán EVO. So without further ado, let's get right into the build process. So we just took the stock exhaust off the Lamborghini Huracán. I'm gonna put this down. As you can see, there's a massive muffler on there. Compared to the OPUS full titanium, it's one hand. Yeah, as you can see, these are a lot lighter, and it's basically cut off the majority of the muffler. And as you can see on the side here, I'm gonna put this down so it's a little bit easier. It looks like they've added in.
Try to pick that one up with one hand.
Where should you pick it up? Let's see it. He's got it.
Yeah.
Nice.
The one hand.
So before we install the exhaust, we want to make sure we wipe it down completely, because if any residue or fingerprints are on there, it's going to stain when the exhaust heats up. That's just the process of how a titanium exhaust basically works.
All right, we just got this exhaust installed on this Lamborghini Huracán EVO, and it sounds amazing. Real quick, I just want to say shout out to OPUS Exhaust for sending this amazing full titanium race exhaust. And if you like this car, you can actually take it home. All you have to do is go to freedomstreetgarage.com, buy a hat, buy a t-shirt. You can buy anything, and it gets you entries to win this Lamborghini Huracán EVO and $50,000 in cash. That's it, no joke. Guys, don't miss your chance. Get this car right now.